Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve missing color style in Figma. Let's jump to it, okay? Okay, so in this video, I only show you how to solve missing color style in Figma file, okay? Okay, in this example, I have one file and it's bunch of the component and also the color. So because this is the file is my design system. And now if I want to see what's the color is missing, so you can see on the asset and you can hit this time library, and in the pop-up you will see there's two missing library. So I have two file, I mean two missing library. One is about the icon and one is about the color. So we can, so let's focus on the color missing color style. So in this pop-up they say, so it has two style, big color neutral and text color default light. So if you find one by one manually, it will be need extra time to find one by one to check every layer. I think it could be takes time. Yeah, to find it is really simple. So we will need the plugin to call to generate to find all the thing related to color. So the plugin name is Style Finder. So you can search in search or plugin and you can find the Style Finder. So I already used it before, and this is the Style Finder. So the Style Finder will find all the color in one file, entire pages. Okay, so it will take a while, so we can wait. Okay, now the plugin is already detect all the file in this, all the color in this file. So because we will need to find this background neutral and also text default light. Okay, so you can see because this plugin will detect based on alphabetic. So I can find big color neutral. So neutral, so this is the big color neutral. So this color is detect the color in component progress. So we can we can jump to the plugin, to the component. So as you can see, it has two background. They use in the component. So we can change it here. Let's see, we can find from this. Okay, this is the component. Let me find it. Okay, this is, so we can change from here because we don't want to use it because this is out. So this is the link. This is the background neutral. So we can solve it with change the color. Okay, so we can hit big color, so we can replace as what's the color to replace this color. So I will change, and as you can see, there's no big color neutral in missing in pop-up in pop-up list here. So now we need to find the text color default light. So the method is the same. So you can find from T. Okay, see the text color default light. So default light. So this is the text color default light. So you can see the text color default light is in stepper. So we need to jump to stepper. Okay, so this is the text from the color on this component. So we need to solve with change the colors. Okay, so we can hit where's the this is the text color default light. So we need to replace with another color style from local style in this file. Okay, we can replace with this color light, and ta-da, there's no missing color style in this file. Yeah, okay, that's the how to solve the color style, missing color style in your Figma file. Okay, that's all. That's the tutorial. So if you have a question, you can leave a comment. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So see you soon and bye bye.